Good morning, everybody. This is Davey from the New Trader, and this is Marie. And yes, let's see what opportunities we find in this market today. I know we are a little bit late, but that's okay. This market is a little bit noisy, so I'm gonna make sure I take my time to elaborate what ideas I wanna take. It doesn't mean I won't take trade at the open. I could take any trade at the open. It's just like I want to be clear, like water clear, what I am doing with those things. So, Marie, how are you doing today?
I am doing well, Davey.
Nice.
No, it's cold out there.
Yeah, it's we saw that after Sunday was supposed to be getting very cold, so like -6 at some point. I think it was saying. So, but yeah, more than that, all good here. So, Marie, I was asking you like today we have a Fed bar talking at 10:30.
Oof.
And we have factory orders month to month at 10 o'clock. So we had ADP and it's still coming back negative. It's a little bit better than the last one. Like the last one was minus 11,000. This one is minus 2,000, 2.5 thousands. So yeah, that they're getting a little bit better, I guess. So, but yeah, that's it for the calendar. No many crazy things, but we have a couple numbers coming out. So
Okay.
yeah, feel free, lady, to let us know, to let me know what is our plan today. What do you have in the play? So
Okay. So we've got, when we're looking at volume, NVIDIA is number one. And then we've got TQQ, we've got Snap. So Snap here at 8 seems interesting and it's confirmed on the tape. So then Snap 8 long. Then we've got IBIT that seems to be absolutely bullish right now, just taking off.
okay, I would. Yeah, but like no, yeah,
And there's the
yeah. The market is open, so watch out, everybody. Uh, make sure you trade responsibly. So everything is going very down right now. So NVDA, yeah. Okay, so SPY. It's 6302. Right? Do you have a trade idea already?
SoFi.
SoFi, okay. 663. So 663. I'm doing some work here, so Snap, Google, Nvidia. So I went a little bit short on Nvidia. Let's see. SPY I think is on the trouble, you know. So there we go. That's what we are talking about. Now the flush might be massive, so watch out for anything. So this is a very intuitive trade. It was just fast there, you know, like we don't have to be too crazy about it. So I'm going short, you're going long, Marie?
Yep.
Okay, understood, patron.
Wait. 26. You print
all right.
50.
I add more to Nvidia to the short. That tape is not saying a lot right now on Nvidia. So this is a weird trade, but
So we've got a big push from SPY here.
Yeah. Those tapes are a little bit clean, you know, like
Is it clean for you?
not clean as I can understand it. It's just there is not a lot of sizes saying anything in there, so. I got myself out of Nvidia, but I will be shooting that one more time. So
NVIDIA, which one?
I'm looking for Nvidia short.
Okay.
Okay. I got out noticing that it was a mistake to be out, so
You got back in?
I got back in right away. I have a worse price, but it's still okay. Well, it looks like a better price, but it's a worse price because I liquidated a little bit on top
Okay.
with a lost. So, all right. So SPY came back into my level. So,
I got out of my trade. I said I was going to keep it nimble, be tight.
nice.
So, wow, snap, eh? Damn.
Yeah. Yeah, as much as possible, I'm trying to not influence you on your trade, but that snap trade, I haven't looked at it, and I'm pretty sure it's quite yucky.
That's funny. That was really funny.
Yeah. Yeah, like, how do you read that? There is no volume. You see that it is the second one? That pre-market here can get invalidated like this. Why? Look, there is not even candles in the 1 minute.
For snap?
Yeah, if you look at Snap 1 minute pre-market, there is not even candles. It's just like dots here. So like my comment is like in the conditions that the market are right now, you can get more like more solid trades on things that trade less erratic. I say that, and at the same time, like I don't feel too right in here because, for example, I can say that the tape is not very clear. Like I cannot read the tape right now on Nvidia. Like that tape is looking, like if it could go higher, but the sizes are not big enough for me to put confidence on it. Like if you see, we have a 185, something like big enough, like a 185, but like we are not that far from there, you know.
For NVIDIA.
Yeah, for Nvidia. Like if you look at 185, 191, you say, oh, we could get there.
Wow. Identical to SPY, just not with the same. SPY actually is looking a lot stronger at the moment than NVIDIA.
Does Nvidia look like a mystery to you?
Nvidia?
Yeah, with the exception that it have been rejecting the VWAP, though we touched it a lot during the pre-market. Oh, my guy, this name report.
Yeah.
Add to the loan, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, they report earnings today or tomorrow. Let's see. Yeah, tomorrow. Okay, I'm okay. If it's tomorrow, I'm okay. All right, Nvidia, that's what you want to do. That's what we're gonna do. Or you're gonna bleed right now. Now I start looking long, probably somewhere else. But I'm not that clear on that one. So let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna have to play Nvidia differently, but it's okay. So I put my stop loss. If he get me out, it's okay.
664 seems to be 66350 and 664 seems to be important on SPY.
I have 663 as a level.
Okay.
And I have 665.
Okay.
But yeah, let's see what he wants to do. We go for the big move again.
Mm-hmm.
Let's hope it's not against us, but I can't. Ay, 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 ay.
So now SPY
There
went
we go.
back in.
There we go. Yeah, if you look at my chart on SPY whenever you have the chance, it's like I put that 65 here. 63, sorry, 63.
Mm-hmm.
We are trying to break through, but we have been unable to break through. So right now, all right. Yeah, market is showing some strength there. Let's see if he's gonna be able to hold. I personally don't think he's gonna be able to hold, but like, take that for what it worth, which is nothing. So it's just an opinion.
Yeah, it's definitely pulling. We've got a position on SPY. Oh, we don't have lots, but what a tape acceleration there.
Like you remember that I can show you right now here. It's on the daily. We broke we broke the low yesterday,
Mm-hmm.
which is at 661.20. So once we break again 661.20, this thing is gonna get beautiful toward the downside. So why will that happen? Well, because it's the market, you know. It's like people are gonna freak out when it does that. So we broke it today a couple of times. So there's no way I'm going long.
Mm-hmm. So re-entering or testing the opening range, right?
For SPY,
Mm-hmm.
he still haven't formed. Like
It's still in there?
Yeah, we have inside there. We have been inside there. In 3 minutes, we're gonna get.
That's true. It only popped on the second candle, right? And then continued.
It's going down. It's going down. It has to go down. Like this morning, even when I was taking the shower, it's like I have to have a clear idea for the market today. And like, I didn't execute that in the first shot, but in the second shot, I did execute that. And it's just wait for it to get to the point of resistance and short the crap out of it. And just like that. And now what? Oh yeah, it's gonna come back. You have to buy Imperial Long at 182. Yeah, for sure. Buy it.
That's a big breath.
And for whatever it worth, they might be breaking even in 1 minute. I want this to be clean or not to be. There we go.
To be or not to be.
To be clean or not to not be there, you know, it's get me out and let me fish another tree. Look at that thing. Look at that short. Yeah. Yeah, there are gonna be people buying 182 on Nvidia for sure.
Okay.
Look at the tape, how it is empty. It's empty. There is nobody defending the 182 right now. And you ask yourself, why would they defend it when SPY is also bleeding? SPY is not bleeding yet, actually. Like SPY is going down, but the SPY haven't touched that second line here.
And there it goes.
Like, just as a homework here, let's look at I don't know if you have a snap, but let's look
No.
at the snap in 15 minutes from now.
Okay.
That's
I
gonna-
like that.
If we haven't gave
really
the whole, if we haven't gave the whole move away in 15 minutes, you can have a bet that's a winning. You can have one of the two I won yesterday.
Look at you being generous with your wins. You won both yesterday, that's true. Really good read on SPY.
One of the good things that a trader have to have is to know when to step in the gas and when to release.
It almost
So-
sounds like poker, Davey.
Yesterday, I know I have a advantage. I say, maybe it's time to bet 2 hours instead of one.
I'm gonna clam down there.
If you see, I'm breaking even this trade. If you get me out, I'm gonna get it back. But I will get it back at a better price. So that's why I'm breaking even. But it shouldn't get me. By any meaning, it should not get me. Of course, like we are trading in very war zone here. Like these people are like whatever those levels are, they're gonna be defend for good. And that's something that we have to be able to recognize because they are such important levels. Like they are daily levels, monthly levels, so they're gonna be defend. You don't assume that you're gonna cross there with your hand like, oh, it's okay, it's just a flower garden, you know. No. This thing can really go.
No.
Alright, that's what we are talking about. Look at that short, my guy. It's so beautiful, man. It's so beautiful. So I know you are seeing a SPY, so basically you don't see much there, but look at Nvidia. I short this thing right there. course.
Oi!
I took a loss already on it. Like I took, this was a loss because I wasn't patient enough. But then I shorted, like this is my loss. Then I got it back because I thought I was right. And now it's going down and I think it's gonna go way lower. The reason why I think it's gonna go way lower because this is a overall trade, overall market related trade. So look at SPY here. So SPY, once SPY breaks 6120, we have to get flushy, you know, because it's just the way market works. So there we go. We are breaking 6120 one more time.
Yep.
So We are bouncing from there, but I don't think we're gonna bounce for too long. I think you have to keep going down. Come on, flush it. Flush it, flush it, flush it.
You know what we forgot to put up?
What?
Our heat map.
No, we didn't. Hey, Zach, how are you doing, my guy? How are you doing, Zach? So we didn't forget, Marie. Remember that there is a internet outage.
Oh, and that's part of
But
it.
right now it's available, so I just open it. Roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it. I'm trying to. Zach, are you trading today? No, we be no. You are funny, my guy. You saw that I sleep well too. Yeah, I sleep okay. Yeah, it's just like maybe I rest a bit during the morning. Nice, you're trading maybe a bit. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. I know you have been doing fantastic. Maria, Maria. Ay, ay, ay.
Wow, what a pull on SPY, Davey.
You are lucky that we didn't bet again today.
I would have lost again.
Actually, I say we look at Snap. It's not 15 minutes yet, but we are almost there. And we have been going through half of it already. Ay, ay, ay. I feel into my waters right now because I am short.
Yeah, Snap was long at 8. So I wouldn't, my order was at $8.
And you didn't get it by the penny, I guess.
8.11, 8.10.
Yeah, 10 cents, okay.
Mm-hmm.
I have the patience of an elephant today, so that's okay. Oh, baby, I love your way every day. It doesn't matter what you want to say. So, Marie, you are trading what?
Open.
Open, yeah. Open to hell. Like, Wayne, you got a short, I think, no?
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, you see, like, look at the positioning. This is very important for me, and like, it hopefully has some value for some people at some point. But those moving average, you see, solid green, solid pink, dotted green, dotted pink. That will be 200 1 minute, 400 1 minute, 200 5 minute, 400 5 minute. The way that looks like, this thing's supposed to going down for good, like for good. So no, it's
That's
like
open.
like if you read that, there is a book that is made by John Carter. So he explained those things, and it's like the universe is aligned for you to see that thing going down. It's like everybody, even in the longest period of time here, like for a day trade, the longest, like the day trader that hold it for the longest will be aligned with you here. So, but like, of course, like as always we say, no financial advice. It's just like, though that will be my favorite setup to go short, and if I see the opposite, that will be my best setup for me to go long. And of course, then you just check the tape, which I think you did.
Yes.
Funny
So
enough,
if
Nvidia the
this-
same.
But where would be the setup for you to go long?
At
So
the
all
la-
of them would be underneath.
Yeah, at any of the green line. This worst a shot, this worst a shot as well. Both green line worst a shot. Handling your stop loss, because like, and if it's right here, like if it's at the pink line on the top here, you go as heavy as you can. So that line here, if you have this setup and you have that line here,
Okay.
in there I will be loading the boat with a tighter stop loss.
If all of them are under you.
Yeah. Maria, Maria. Oh my God. So I say to everybody, SPY was going to get flushing. Look at that.
Can you get more flushy?
Yes. It could get more flushy.
Do you think so?
But like we have been selling slow. So the way we are selling so slow, we have to be nimble. And by being nimble, I mean like, yeah, you probably don't have to shoot too much from there. Maria, Maria. Okay, buddy. So I'm gonna just take. Let's take half of that.
Okay.
Kill it.
Okay, so do you want to make another bet on SPY for today?
Yeah.
You seem to be on a run.
Ooh la la. Ooh la la. Do you feel the wind? Jala jala. Yeah, what is the bet, Marie?
About SPY, what do you want?
I add right away.
What's your low on
And I'm
SPY
breaking
for
it.
today?
Ay ay ay. So you were the one that has the bet. So you pick. And I say yes or no.
So there?
She wanna dump the pressure on me?
Of course. What you talking about?
Ay, papá. So loading. Yeah, I can have a clear idea if I want to, but that will require some job, some work being done. Yeah, I gonna tell you what I think is gonna be the low. Are you willing to hold on into your chair? Because
Holy cannoli, what are you gonna put?
654.29. 654.29. Do you agree? 654.29. That's gonna be the low of SPY today. And the one that is closer, here I am putting the bet, because it was her idea, but
You're saying what?
654.29. That is where SPY is gonna go today. No financial advice to anybody, That's just what I think so.
Wow.
Right. So I'm gonna put a red line in there because
Wow.
I'm being very annoyed right now. I know that, but it's okay. Allow me to be myself. Irene me, I'm my other me.
The three me. 654. Yeah, no. That I think I would agree with that one.
You will agree? Marie agreed to that?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
There's nothing on the tape that says that. It's just that when you see the RSI, it just.
You say like, nah, he couldn't go there, Guess what? He can go there. Build me a castle with air, and let's see how long it lasts.
Three little pigs.
So I put a red line in there, but it's 5 cents below because it was so far that I couldn't get the precise thing. Oh, it's true. I have to work on something else. So slowly. So I'm gonna mute myself like that. You have a break, but we're gonna be here anyways. So if Marie have something to say about the bet that now she doesn't want to put on, so
Well, yeah, that would after seeing your levels and what's on SPY, like that's definitely attainable.
but we
I
are like
thought it would
$4
went
from.
lower.
You thought it was going. I have a lower level, but I don't want to give it to you because I have hopes that we won't get there.
I like that.
So if we get to the lower level, like it's like forget, sell everything,
Pack
So-
the kids. We're moving.
But yeah, so yeah, as I say, I'm gonna be here just like I'm gonna be working on something else. So if anybody say anything on the chat, I will be able to say it. My guy Zach that is there, Marie. So okay, so All right, so we're gonna see like SPY bounce quite decent. So I wanna see from where did it bounce. Oh yeah, this is still, yeah, there is no big deal in there yet. So we have a little bit of support at 658.50 around. So we haven't touched it yet. Yeah, we did touch it. It's just like we went through. Okay, my bad. Yeah, what I'm saying is like we are not there right now, but yeah, that's the level that is pushing right now. So we have to wait for it to break below 658.50 again for this to get a little bit more easy toward the shorts. Right now it is in bearish, bullish territory. So once we are across 68.50 below and we hold below, we can be a little bit more quiet about the shorts. So yeah, I have to partial more. You know, like I mean that's if I'm gonna be increasing sizes the way like I want to and that I am, like it's like I should be taking more partials and like that's probably why I don't do it all in one shot because I don't trust myself. It's like I hate taking partials, so it's. Well, we have a clear idea where we think that this thing is gonna go. My price change. I was probably looking wrong at it. Like I have a lower price, Marie, for the price I gave you. Right now, if you like, are you interested to look at that, or is not something that you are?
Absolutely.
So there is a lower price that has more relevance, which is at 652.70. So that seems to be a little bit too far. So we have to be nimble there. 652.70 is more relevant than 654.29. But it's still like I'm being very I'm hoping for the best, you know, because if he goes there, like that's not gonna be good. Look at you, you are short on SPY too. So it's a short day for everybody. Oh my gosh. Killing me softly with this song. Killing me softly with love.
Are you warm?
No, my feet are cold, my chest is hot, so it's a mixed feeling here. I think Zach say I sleep well today. I sleep okay. It's say a mixed feeling, like not enough for me to complain, not enough for me to celebrate it. But and I have a headache. Probably my whole being is just compensating for, you know, like shake it off. You can do better and blah blah blah, all these good things. So I'm gonna take a look at Snap. By this time, I expect the Snap to give everything away already. No, he didn't actually. Yeah, look at Marie. So you won one of my bets. So I got one from yesterday. It is almost there, but it's not there yet. So it's okay. It's gonna get there. Like, there's a lot of wishful thinking about this Snap right now. So, especially because of the volume. Right now, the percentage of a Snap is 0.0. Well, now it moved to 0.06. Up.
Okay.
Da, 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 da. Zach, about what price do you have on a SPY, if you are willing to share?
Okay, there seems to be a significant bounce.
Yes, it's exactly like I'm debating now. Do I want to be out then back in? That doesn't seem to be a bad idea.
So Nvidia has earnings tomorrow.
Yes, they do. Like people are kind of bullish on it, you know, like which I'm gonna be honest, I kind of don't understand why, but like,
You don't understand?
yeah, it's not the time to, so. But it's okay. It's like I understand that not everybody's looking at the market every day, so. Like it's a very very mixed feeling, and that's what I'm saying. Like you have such a nice company that, and you have people with mixed feelings about it, and you know it's like we are not saying it's not a good loan. It's just not a good time for that good loan. So we mentioned that yesterday that most of the things were performing quite well and Nvidia was lagging behind. And then you have to ask yourself, why? Well, you know, pullbacks happen here and there. So my guy Zach have a very nice price on SPY. So his price is 659. It's right here. 659.
For SPY.
Oh, he got stopped out by break even. So, but yeah, it's a good price in my opinion because it is.
659
Yeah.
for long.
It's the resistance. No, he had a short, and it looks like a short in the chart. I don't want to say that it is a short. I just don't know. But in the chart, it looks like a short.
Okay.
So. So I'm probably gonna put a line on the sand for SPY for Nvidia. Like I know it's well correlated, but just because they will report earnings tomorrow or something like that, so I don't want to be too much convinced of my short areas. You are playing safe. Yeah, that's good, my guy. That's very good to do that. Very good. Okay, so I have a clear target on Nvidia. Holy crap, can you get more clear than that? And I'm a little bit dumping there because like we print that price already. So we print that price today, and more than that we broke through. So yeah, I do have to cash out some Nvidia. That's a for sure. It's a for sure. I'm playing with fire there, you know.
Well, we'll see if SPY's going to make a new low right there. The tape is definitely not crazy, but the RSI has pulled back. When it did that double top there, almost at 659, like you said, 659.40, 659.20.
Okay.
Like the RSI topped up there. I think there's still some pull.
Okay. The VPOC is right there on ah man, it's annoying, but like
Your
like,
headache is annoying?
no, it's like what you're saying is saying to me like it might be a bigger trade than what you actually have right now. So, but I don't want to be too much too convinced of it. Like the VPOC is at 79.72, 179.72. So Nvidia, for example, here. Nvidia 179.72 right there. Nvidia shouldn't be going below. Like, and look at the quality of the bounce. Look at the quality of that 179.72. The problem in here is that we have the market, as Marie say, and that's why I say it's a very mixed feeling. Because like this thing, that's the price for me to go long. That 179.72. I'm supposed to be going long from right here. Right here. I'm supposed to be going long. but it's a very very attractive point because if I am wrong in that this is a long from here, it will just keep tanking. I would tank. It would accelerate below here. The same way SPY accelerate from that top here. Like you know when we were saying once it break 6120, you see how it goes straight down. It's the same for Nvidia. Like with the uncertainty that this may have decent buyers on it today. So if Nvidia break down below there, it can go way lower. But like look what it's doing. It's holding. It's walking away from the level. So that's why I say like I might be wrong, and I might be wrong even in holding for the short. So I'm gonna keep it nimble there. I definitely can afford it going either way. So what I don't like is that we didn't went parabolic from there. We didn't went with a lot of momentum. So I'm gonna hold on, and whatever happen, it will happen. And like I can take another trade if I want, so it's okay. So I know I'm being a little bit not nice with it, but I will believe on my trade. SPY doesn't look that good, so inflection point right there. But we are going through, like Nvidia is going through a lot of sell orders, and it's going like if they were bought. So Nvidia is really bullish right now. All right, so look at that thing going. I think I need another monitor at some point, because if you see I switch from one to the other, and like I didn't see that we were at the VPOC until I said let me go and check my trade. So, and it is very common that I check the VPOC, or I check those levels, and they were just print a minute ago, and things like that, and like it's similar to what happened right now. So it's okay. I'm gonna stay put there. So let's see. I think I'm right. Why do I want to hold there? Because the sizes that we went through, they were big enough to create the climax of the bounce. So we only need SPY to bleed a little bit more for us to be right. But alright, so yeah. Voila. Look at Nvidia. This is insane.
So apparently Tesla is going to.
To what? It's gonna be interesting. Tesla is going to.
Yeah, that it seems that Tesla is. It's at $399.
Mm-hmm. So you think it's gonna keep going down, Tesla?
They seem to think at this moment that 399 could be a
good price.
yeah. So we got SPY, how it reacted at the
Yeah, but yeah. Ay, 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 ay.
huh. And
No, I'm just waiting for this trade to manifest. I think though I do have to watch the tape at some point. Right now, the tape is not nice. I will say, like, I mean, as I say, when we were higher, even like it wasn't convincing me. Like, I see there is a lot of buyers right now and sellers as well, but like, I did say that 182.20 supposed to be the climax for the volume. Like, I mean, it shouldn't be going like 183. It shouldn't, but at the same time, I'm just observing the tape. If it goes 183, probably I'm wrong. So, but let's see what it wants to do. We are quiet here, you know, like, I can probably go on SPY and look at the quality of the bounce of SPY, because the quality of the bounce on Nvidia is telling me like you should be out of this trade, but I decide not to purposefully. So like there is a like that like overreaction versus long-term intentions, so longer term intentions. So I know RSI, everything is trying to go back up. Everybody's gonna think this is a reversal, and then you say, what were we doing before, and what were we doing before than before? Okay, so let's go and check at that quality of the bounce on SPY instead of me just talking crap in there. So SPY, so where are you, my guy? SPY. So SPY, what was the low on SPY? 656.80. So SPY went 656.80. Yeah. It's yes, remove them. I'm sorry, but I still think I'm right, so I'm gonna hold on. That was a imprudency for whoever pushed it, but it's okay. If you have the money, good for you. So the next point, we have a checkpoint here at we have a 6:59:15. So SPY, we're gonna check SPY next interaction at 6:59:15. And the tape, you are cold, Marie?
Mm-hmm.
You are a little bit cold?
Yeah, it was a little bit cool.
Okay, so I'm gonna bring the heat up. Just give me a minute. I actually have to stand up from here. I have to stretch my legs. So, Zach, by any chance, did you retake any trade on SPY or not? If you have, like, if you and I play a game, any game, like it could be a board game, and you always use the same technique, what will happen at some point?
Well, you'll learn your technique and you'll go around it.
Yeah, and if you don't change your technique, will I be able to abuse that against you? Because it's like
Of
a
course,
limitation.
you'll use it against me for sure.
But what I mean is like let's say if the other side doesn't get flexible enough, or let's say if by any chance it doesn't have the tools or the possibility of changing the strategy, the edge on your favor is even bigger, because you know that it will have to do this or that. You know, like if your opponent doesn't increase, like let's say if we are playing a game and you have a very specific strategy, and while I get better, you don't improve. Like, and I keep improving, but you don't keep improving. Like, I mean, it could be because you are at the top for whatever reason. So the fact that you don't have more options is something that the other side can use against you.
Absolutely.
And it will be able to abuse your strategy, like it's you who is creating the power that the other side has, but it's because you haven't changed anything. So in here, what I'm trying to say, what is that market related? And you hear me saying like, good for you that you have the money to push that. So I used to say very long ago, and this is not this is not in books. This is not. I don't even have the data to tell you this, but I will tell you as a opinion, and it's something I have felt. And I said to Marie, like very long ago, like Marie and I, there was a point, and I'm for sure she remembered it, that we were saying, oh, now we put the reversal. Now let's go long. So we put like our long around here with the stop loss right here. And 90% of the time we will get the stop out. So what I'm saying here, like there is a level, like there is at one, the level is at one, the low we print, it was 156.80. So the level is 15 cents below. So like it didn't actually test what was in there. It just got pushed, like if there was front running. So like it actually doesn't know if that level is solid or not. So what I'm saying here, it leaves you with the uncertainty. The uncertainty is that you don't know if the people that were buying at that level, they will jump in and buying again. So because of that, you don't know if they are the same people that are selling before you get to their actually exit, like a break-even point. So you repeat the same thing every day. So we memorize it and memorize it and memorize it. Instead of we taking the long here, now we will take the short, assuming that it will break the low. So you just, if you are doing something with your strategy exactly, and you are following your plan and it didn't work 90% of the time, just flip it and then you are in the other side of the game. And that's why I'm saying, like, if the market maker or if the market in general doesn't have a way to increase its tools, traders are going to be able to use it and use it and use it until they get the crap out of it. They get so good because, like, And like of course like you cannot do that if you have like billions of dollars, because like they will see where you are going the way we are seeing where they are going here on the tape, you know. So but for us that we are like small traders, like that's something that you just learn and repeat. Yeah, but yeah, just a little bit of bent in there because I think uh, I pay a fair share price for that one. So so I'm gonna be back. I'm just gonna raise the heat and I'm gonna take a little break. So I'm gonna be back in a bit. All right, we are back. So we are just Maria and I have been talking and contemplating SPY. So let's see if he's going to be able to hold or not. It's a very tricky spot because we have been trading okay. Lack of strength in my opinion, but yeah. Just let's see what he wants to do. If we look at the 5 minute here for SPY, like this is a 1 minute that you guys are looking at, but when we look at the 5 minute, look how many dojis we have. 1, 2, 3. At the bottom, without any reaction, yeah, good for you.
What was that?
It's just a waiting now sound. We had that just do it, do you remember? Just do it. Probably we still have that, let's see. We have you to like and subscribe. No, it's not working anymore, okay. Maybe the others are not working either. We had it.
Do it!
Breakdown. That's it.
Do it! Just do it!
Alright. So, yeah. Ooh, that hotkey I was programming is still there, but I never use it. I have been wrong from time to time.
Just time to time.
Yeah. I think there is a trading book that is called The Best Loser or The Bigger Loser. I have to say, I have to confess, I have been learning something lately. Confess, it's not confess, it's just my guy, Zach, he brought a good things about the levels quite long ago, probably a couple months ago.
Okay.
And you know what I have noticed? It's like if I have a good entry for a stock, like let's say I have a bunch of level toward the downside,
Okay.
and they shouldn't be broken or anything like that. Normally when they break it, or they get there, I will assume here I have to reverse. And that seems to be not true. The reason why that seems to be not true is because, and this brought me back to the book that you have right now that you are reading, or that you were reading, about the tape reading. And it's that when you break one of those levels, like you get out of the level because you think, okay, the trade is down there, and then you find out that it went like bizarrely like farther from there. And what I have been, this is just memorized again. Like what I have been seeing is like whenever we break a level, we just keep going, breaking levels through those levels. So a level that is not respected, and maybe Zach has something to say in there because he understands the levels way better than us. So, but what I'm saying here is when you break a level, it's like, you know what? We may have the power to keep breaking. And if I go to the book that I was talking about,
Yeah.
the book that about the tape reading, they say that when an order that is big enough got pierced by 5 cents, it's even less than that. I think it's 3 to 5 cents.
I think it depends on the price actually.
It doesn't say that. Like in the book,
Okay.
it say any order that got pierced by, like any big order that get pierced by 5 cents. Let's say I don't remember precisely, so it might be 3 cents, but we're gonna use 5 cents as a decent thing. So any order that get pierced by 5 cents means like we can go anywhere from there, you know, especially if it's a big order. So if it's a big order that supposed to hold, it's supposed to hold by the penny pretty much. So
That's true, and a lot of times that's what we see, right?
yeah, exactly. That's what I say. Like while I'm talking, it's like it's validating the point of the book in there. But yeah, the way that Zach referred when he was talking to me about those levels is when it doesn't respect the level, it's like not relevant. Like it's not respecting it, so you just skip it. So did we broke the level, and where did we find the breaks? 15 cents below.
Remember this morning when? Oh no, you said 654.
Oh, I put that line. Yeah, the line is there. It's
getting
654.24. But I told you after that it's even worse than that. That like I put a line in the other chart. So the line in the other chart is at. Oh, this is very funky. 652.71. Ay. SPY is trying to bounce legitimately from there. I just came back to look at the level again. And we have very nice volume stepping in below that 656.65. But again, what I have seen, that we do that and we keep going toward that direction. So I'm gonna stay put here and let's see. I think next time Nvidia break 179.72 is gonna be different. So for sure I will be trying to take I will try to take some partial at 179.72. And yeah, this is all good. SPY broke the level actually. Like I mean, it's right now using the level I was having as a support. It's using it as a level of resistance. It's by the penny. It's a very minor movements in there. So like I'm talking about like it's between 10 to 20 cents test that it's doing, and like that's why would you do such a minor test in there? Like maybe because the volume is good. So, but does that mean that it's gonna bounce all the way back up? Well, right now it's acting as a resistance, and it shouldn't hold that good, especially being so fresh. Why? Because if it doesn't last toward like far from it, it doesn't accumulate enough forces to break through. So, all right, this is gonna be an interesting day. Yeah, no, not profit-wise. I mean, market-wise, it's gonna be interesting because
really strong push.
Mm-hmm.
So what do you see, Davey, still? Because you said that it was possibly trying to push from there.
Yeah, I just don't trust it. I think it's gonna keep going down. I think they are trying very good, but right now neither maneuver is not looking succeeding or anything like that. So. Mm-hmm, mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Especially like put it in the big picture of it.
Mm-hmm.
Like I say SPY, normally like I like to see when everything go below or under the water, like let's say SPY today, I like to see it testing the VWAP before 10:30. It tried to test the VWAP, but it wasn't successful. So there is a lot of people selling at the VWAP right now, and we have still a declining VWAP. So a declining VWAP plus a 200 moving average declining suggests that we can go a little bit lower. It's okay, let's see.
Making higher high.
Sorry.
Strong RSI there. Strong position. What? No, that's not aligned here.
Ba-da-da-da-da-da. No va a volver a casa si no estás. Lo sabes, mi amor, que noche eterna. Presiento que no estás cerca de esta estrella. It's okay, I got it. Triste nunca se olvida que fuiste mía. Tererere. What's up, Dumbo?
Hey, Dumbo.
Tererere.
Go on, Dumbo.
Tererere. 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 Oh, baby, I love your way. Every day. Ooh, every day. Come on, Nvidia. Right, so.
We've got a big position at the VWAP for SPY. Tape acceleration for SPY. RSI is really climbing, but seems to be reaching a top.
What's up?
What's up, David?
Patient, what's up?
How's your headache?
Still there.
What?
I don't know. I don't know how to describe this. It's just cool. It's cool. It's very cool. So
Talk more. What's very cool?
it's price action is just amazing right now. You know, it's just this is golden. Like not the trade. I mean, like just the observations that we are able to like that we can see on this tape, on those indexes, in the stocks we are trading, and like I understand like there might be a lot of people being flippy, but it's just a folding game. So you know, not the flippy, but like the what is trying to, and like I'm not saying that there is no real intentions of going anywhere. Like it's just like there is a decent killing zone for like right now. I will say that will be between 650, 850, and 659.00 on SPY. So like the buyers are stepping in even lower. That's a very interesting thing. So they might be able to push it back up, but as Marie said, like there was a lot of people selling at the VWAP. So the question is that selling at the VWAP like gonna be able to push the price even lower, or is gonna be just not that much and it's gonna be across in the VWAP? Well, right now, what did we do? We attempt to touch the VWAP one more time, but we didn't succeed. So we actually didn't touch it. You can see the orange line right there. Like we went even a little bit below. So like
20 cents.
the gap
almost,
between
yeah.
the average, the VWAP now and the average, like and the gap before, is even bigger. What means that there is more front running than previously. What let me know that there is more selling than previously. So this is gonna go even lower for me, in my opinion. You know, it's not there is no financial advice here for anybody. So this is just my opinion. I think SPY is gonna go even lower, and it doesn't have to be right now, but like during the day. I don't know if anybody's gonna grab the mic or anything, but you have to remember who sell at the VWAP, who is being judged or qualified by selling or buying at the VWAP is institutional. So who are the biggest participants? Are institutionals. So do you want to go against them or you want to go with them?
Oh!
Yeah. Oh, sorry. It's just like
Oh!
it feels very intense, you know. Inside, it's like it's very interesting thing. It's haha, you funny. Sorry, it's just. Price
So now the
trending down,
position
VWAP
is past the
trending down.
VWAP.
Past the VWAP, yeah.
You saw that?
No, right now I'm looking only at the Nvidia tape,
Mm.
and taking a nap it will be a good idea right now. Just to not look at it, but we are learning from it, you know, so it's good. Freaking cool stuff.
10 minutes for your nap. In 10 minutes.
Well, I proved the other day that I can snore in 10 minutes.
Oh, for sure. Hey. You said, yeah, I'm going to put a timer. He says, I'm going to put a timer and I'm going to go down for 15 minutes.
Yeah. But today I'm not that bad. So,
You're not that bad today?
no, yeah.
The position now on SPY is past the VWAP at 660. It's actually at 200 EMA.
That's your overnight VWAP. Like the actual VWAP on SPY is 659.72.
Yeah, but it's at 660.
Oh, so, okay, yeah, cool, nice.
660 is very close to the 200.
Nice.
It keeps pushing up. Okay, so now it's not at 660 anymore. It's at 660.30.
Yeah, I see. There is a little bit of enthusiasm.
Okay, crossing. So now we've got the big position, and I'd actually move now to 660.60. It obviously wants to sell at the better price. So strong reaction to the 50, to the 200, I'm sorry. We'll see what's going to go now. super big. It's building. So the person that the position at 660.60 started out as 80, which is double usually the normal orders on SPY. Went to 100, went to 150, and now is over 200.
Nice. Thank you for clarifying about the sizes.
Definitely have a little bit of a battle there. What's for your lunch, DV?
I don't know, to be honest. I have to go and check what is in the refrigerator. So, yeah,
Well, we know you're very good at just
MacGyving.
MacGyving a lunch that is full of color, full of nutrients, and full of everything.
Yeah, we don't know if they are healthy, but they work.
Well, usually you have a lot of veggies and good protein.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so the 30 came in and swallowed it. 660 is 60 is still there.
No va a volver a casa si no estás.
I'm wondering if somebody grabbed a mic. Well, I find that it's quite a pop here in
Oui, Marie.
and there we go.
Oui. I was just checking bloody texting.
Yeah, we'll be starting the Christmas market soon.
Oh yeah, nice. Probably I'm gonna go this time. Yeah, let's see. So,
There's a big train. It's back this year.
a fake one?
Well, it's got a
Right.
track.
Yeah. They're still fake.
It's not a steam train, no. It's for kids.
Exactly. So, I went and like with the girls, so yeah.
They love
It's
it.
okay.
You want a big train.
No, it's good.
Yes, you do. Okay, so did you want to check Truth Social?
Yeah, for sure, just in case. Frenesí. Yeah, I don't see anything.
662.40.
Yeah, if you want, you can check it out. In the last 3 hours, like he put something hawkish in the last 3 hours, but like about the healthcare system, but like no more than that for now. So yeah, I'm gonna start wrapping it up, and I don't see any news. Yeah, let's see how we do. So yeah, right now it's like the PNL is green right now, but like I could be red. Let's see. Like this thing is looking like if he wants to move against me, I have a very strong conviction here, and I don't have to like. So I say like I know I am like risking PNL from other days, and I find out that that's okay. I actually have to work in overnight holding because when I hold overnights by mistake is something, but I think I can hold overnights with a clear planification, and that's okay too. So like, but what I'm saying is like, yeah, right now I this push that they are doing right there, I don't buy it. You know, to me that's just a lot of smoke. So yeah. So that being said, yeah, right now unrealized PNL is red, and net PNL is green. But as I said, I could be red today. I just gonna be a little bit more hard-headed on that one because I don't believe in the long right now. So yeah, so I only trade Nvidia today, and the way I did, I went short, out to the short, and got out with a loss. Then I shorted, and then I partial here, and I add right away. Probably that was the mistake to add right away. So then it moved in my favor. I didn't take any partial. Then go back above the VWAP. Then went below the VWAP. Then so just a roller coaster here. And as I say, I kind of have strong convictions about those trades. I'm gonna be monitoring the tape after this thing, but concerned? No, I'm not concerned at all. So like we're gonna let it do whatever it wants to do, and I can probably get it out there and like get it at a better price, but I probably don't have a better price right now. So, well, the reason for that, like, yes, I would adjust it and it will look green, but that doesn't really put more money in my pocket. So, I don't have to do that just to be looking better. So yeah, that's it for me. As I say, big chance of being red here for the day, but uh, nothing is too compromisable right now. So let's see what the news are. Like as Marie saying, maybe somebody grab the mic because there was some healthy volume coming in right now. But yeah, I just have stronger convictions with my own trades. So yes, I pay the risk for that on my own too. So what about you, Marie?
Okay, so I trade two. I trade open and I trade SoFi.
Okay, which one we go first?
So we can go open. Open was not a. I didn't flip on open. So what I did is open. I went once. I went short, and I went short at the VWAP. I was able to
That
add,
was good.
take, and I took a lot of partials. But what happens, I let it go too much against me in building my position, and I got out with a 1 hour loss at finally when it popped at 740. But I didn't want to flip my position to a long. I didn't have that much confirmation. Now, what I did do wrong is SoFi. So SoFi, I went short. But when I went short on SoFi, was supposed to be, what I should have done is go short when I was going long, at the positions I was going long. So I went long at 26.50 when it should have been a perfect short there. So I was able to get out on my short, but I mean on my short. But then I kept going long. So I was getting smoked out. Then I flipped again. So I went long in, wait a minute. No, I went short. So I said, you know what? It keeps pulling back from, especially the 200. So I went short, got flippy, got me out at a 2R. Then I said, no, I see the tape, it's a long one. Flip long, and the long might be something that I am going to be able to get some profit on at the moment. So we will see. I got a good position and a decent price at 26 for the long. So I was able to adjust my price.
Yeah, that's a decent price.
Well, we will see. Yeah,
Yeah.
right now, with my flippy mind, I'm a little bit definitely off. The SoFi for me, for believing it was a short, but it's where I'm going in. So I'm not getting good prices. I'm going short where at levels that I should be going long, and I'm going long at levels that I should be going short. I'm waiting for too much confirmation, and it's definitely getting me to flip way too much. So I did that yesterday, did it again today. Right now I'm gonna see, I'm gonna hold my long. I'm breaking even. If it gets me out, it gets me out. I'm hoping though that we've got enough momentum to be able to reach 27. At 27, depending on the tape and how it's going to look, I could be completely out of that position. So we
Understood.
will see.
Okay, so that's it for you.
Yes.
Okay, nice. So yeah, those are things that we have to keep working, both of us. Like for example, me not taking partial, Marie with the flippy, and
Yeah,
like,
you've been really good at identifying at the open and the pressures of where the market's going to be going.
yeah, but
I
like
really like that.
it's a discipline matter here at some point. So but yeah. So as I say, in general, we are
Right
doing
now,
good, so-
I believe that the market still has strength. So we've been looking for news. We haven't found any, but yeah, strong RSI here, and it seems like the opening price on SPY seems to be maintained. So I'm not sure.
Yeah.
I know.
Yeah, it's. I have to say I like a couple of things about the way I'm trading right now. Though yeah, it required patience. It
You
required
definitely don't flip much.
no. But like because I don't flip much, when I am wrong, I get killed for good. But
You
it's okay.
stay in very long.
Yeah,
Mhm.
but it's okay to because like for example here like it's not like if I am blindly going either direction.
Mm-hmm.
Like yesterday, I remember we were talking and I said to Marie, if a spy make another high, a higher high on the day, I will be out. You remember?
Mm-hmm.
So today is the same thing, like but with different concepts. Like I'm looking like oh, what is a spy right
Different
now?
condition.
Yeah, like if he does this, I will be willing to be out of my trade. But you will have to really pump it up, and say, David, now what spy really broke all your levels and things like go out of your trade. So and that's what is cool because you can hold for longer without much stress, but at the same time,
Yeah, you're respecting, executing your plan, right?
trying to, yeah,
Yeah,
exactly. So
mhm.
yeah, but that's it for us. I think anything else from you? No. So that's it. I hope you're having a good day. I hope everybody's doing good. My guy Zach, I know you are around there, but like you're probably doing homework, something like that, and trading a little bit there, here and there. So yeah, that's it for us. Have a good one. We're gonna be here tomorrow.